Hello dear all, I am Santosh Wagh and welcome to channel Learn Easily by Sandhya Wagh. In this video, we will see questions number 7, 8 and 9 of Miscellaneous Exercise 2 Class 8 Mathematics. So, let's start our video. Now let's see the questions under Miscellaneous Exercise 2. We will see first question number 7. Now see the question number 7. The length of chord of circle of 16.8 cm radius is 9.1 cm. Find its distance from the center. Here we will draw a rough sketch for this circle, then we will get better understanding. Let's see, this is the rough sketch of this circle. There is center, let it be O, and what is given? Length of the chord. Length of the chord is given 16.8 cm. Let's see this length of chord 16.8 cm, and radius is given 9.1 cm. So this radius from this point to this point, center if we consider O, then this OA, this radius is given 9.1 cm. Then find its distance from the center. So we have to find the distance of this chord from the center, means this shortest distance. So there is property, when we take a shortest distance of any chord from the center, it is a perpendicular distance. So this angle is always 90 degree. If we consider this point as C, then we have to find OC, isn't it? That is the shortest distance of the chord from the center of circle. Here radius is given 9.1 cm and chord length, this chord length is given is equal to 16.8 cm. As we are drawing a perpendicular, it bisects this chord, let it be B. So this BA chord is bisected by this perpendicular, and if we, so as it is bisected, this distance BC is equal to CA, and that is equal to 16.8 upon 2, that is nothing but 8.4, and unit will be centimeter. Are you getting? Here what we are doing, we are just taking the dimensions of a right angle triangle. See, there is a right angle triangle, that this triangle is formed. This point is A, this point is O, and this point is C. So here we are getting CA, that is 8.4. This OA, that is radius 9.1 centimeter, and we have to find this OC, let it be X. Now it is very simple. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the distance X, that is X square, that is equal to this 9.1 square minus 8.4 square. Are you getting? Isn't it? It is very simple. We are using the Pythagoras theorem. So this x square is equal to, now use this identity. Which identity? A square minus B square, because these are the numbers. So A square minus B square is nothing but A minus B, and in the second bracket A plus B. So we will use this identity to solve this. In the first bracket 9.1 minus 8.4, and in the second bracket 9.1 plus 8.4. just solve this. 9.1 minus 8.4, we will get here 0.7, and in the second bracket 9.1 plus 8, 17.5. so just multiply it. It is nothing but 7 into 7.5. you can multiply, you will get here 12.25, and we are getting x square is equal to 12.25. so square root of this x, so x is equal to square root of this 12.25. now see, there is a simple trick. When the number unit place of this number is 25, so there is 25 number. So to guess the square root of this number, just see the number which is here 12 next to this 25. 12 is the multiplication of 3 and 4. 12 is nothing but 3 into 4, and 25 is there. So there is trick, its square root must be this number 3, and this square root of this 25 is 5. The square root of this is 35. So square root of this 12.25 will be 3.5, and that is the required answer. So shortest distance from this center to chord is 3.5 centimeter. Now see the question number 8. The following table shows the number of male and female workers under employment guarantee scheme in village A, B, C, D, and this data is given. Then show the information by subdivided bar graph and show the information by percentage bar graph. What is the subdivided bar graph? In subdivided bar graph, a total bar graph, the total amount is taken of each participant. So here female is one part and male is one part. We have to take the addition of these two and show the portion of female and male. Now let's solve out this question. So for 8 question number, here we need the total of this participant. So I will write here total in the village A of female and male, that is 150 plus 225, that is 375. For B village, addition will be 240 plus 160, that is 400. For C village, addition will be 90 plus 2, that is 300, and for D village, addition will be 250. So this is the total count, and out of that total count, these are the subdivided. So to draw this subdivided bar graph, just draw x-axis and y-axis as usual. So let this be the y-axis and let this be the x-axis. So on x-axis we will put villages A, B, C and D, and on y-axis we will put number of female and male. So here we have to decide a scale for y-axis. For 1 unit how much, like this. So take the maximum portion. If this is the maximum portion, we require maximum number of 400. Total number is 400 and minimum is 90. Are you getting? From this table, minimum is 90, maximum is 400. So put here 400 at the top and divide it centrally. So half portion will be 200, half of this will be 100, half of this will be 50, and put the numbers like this: 150, then here will be 300 center, then here 350, and here 450. Sorry, here 250 and here 350. So in this way we can decide the scale, and here village A, B, C and D. Now draw a bar graph for the village A. Total count is 375. So we will go here up to this 375 and put a bar graph. And out of 375, 150 are female. Where is 150? 150 is like this. So just take the shaded portion for female and blank portion for male. So this is the joint bar graph. This is the subdivided bar graph for village A. Now for B, total count is 400. So go up to 400. Here is a 400 and draw a bar graph here. Out of 400, 240 are female. So here is 200, there is 250. So here will be 240. So make the shaded portion for female and remaining blank portion for male. For the village C, total is 300. So go up to 300 here and bar graph will be like this. So, and out of 300, 90 is female. So here is 100, here will be 90. Take the shaded portion for female, blank portion for male. And in village D, total count is 250. So here is 250. Go up to this 250 and draw a bar graph for this. So out of 250, 140 are female. So here is 140 are female. So here is 150. Here will be 140. Make the shaded portion for this and blank portion for male. So this is a way, and this is a subdivided bar graph for this data given. Now, which indicates, here we can visualize for village B, female percentage, female count is more as compared to other three villages. Now see the second part of this question number 8. Show the information by a percentage bar graph. So data is same, and again we have to show a bar graph but in percentage. Now percentage means we require to calculate the contribution or percentage part of each this participant, means female and male, out of the total. So we have just seen what is the total. So we will calculate here percentage of female, for village A. That will be, for village A, count is 150. Are you getting? Count is 150. So percentage will be 150 upon total is, we just calculated, total is 375. Total count is 375 and multiplied it by 100. So we will get the percentage. So if we solve this divided by 25, we will get here 25 on the 25, and similarly calculate the percentage for village B also. That is, total part is 240, total female count is 240 out of 400 multiplied by 100. So we will get here, if we solve this, we will get here 60%. Are you getting? Similarly for C, we will get here 30%, and for D we will get here 56%. So what is the meaning of this? Percentage of female we got. So percentage of male will be 100 minus this quantity for village A. That is, for village it is 60%, for here 40%, here 70%, and here 44%. So we got the percentage contribution of female and male for each village. So now we can draw a graph, percentage bar graph, that is the same as we have done in previous activity. So just draw a y-axis and x-axis. On x-axis we will plot village, and on y-axis the percentage of each female and male. So this y-axis. So if we consider this 100% here, that will be the maximum. If this is the origin, center will be 50%. Here will be 100%. Are you getting? Now here will be, now just mark the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. So 10, 20, 30 and 40. Similarly here 60, 70, 80 and 90. So this is the marking on y-axis, and here village A, here B, here C, and here D. We got the percentage of female and male. For village A, female is 40%, male is 60%. So in this percentage graph, each graph will go up to 100 because this is a percentage. So first draw for each village 100%, and out of that 100% just show the contribution of female and male separately. So these are the 4 graphs of each 100%. So this is D, for this E. Now for A, female person is 40%, so it will be like this up to this, and make the shaded portion for female. Remaining blank portion is for male. For village B, 60% is female, so here will be the 60. So make the shaded portion for female. For village C, 30% only female, so this is the 30%. Up to this, make the shaded portion. And for D, 56% for female, there is 50 and here will be 56. So make the shaded portion for female. So like this, we can show the given data in subdivided bar graph also and in percentage bar graph also. Now see the question number 9. Solve the following equations. These three equations are given and we have to solve and find out the value of this variable. In the first equation is given 17 into bracket x plus 4 plus 8 into bracket x plus 6 is equal to 11 into bracket x plus 5 plus 15 into bracket x plus 3. So here just solve the bracket. It is very simple, nothing is difficult. 17 multiply this x plus 4. I will write very fast. 17x plus 68 plus 8 into x plus 6, that is 8x plus 48. That will be equal to 11 into x plus 5, that is 11x plus 55 plus this 15 into x, 15x plus 15 into 3, that is 45. Now transfer all variables in one side and constant on one side. We will get here 17x plus 8x, that is 25x. Then plus 68 plus 48, that is 116, is equal to 11x plus 15, that is 26x plus 55 plus 40, that is 100. Now transfer this 26 here or 25 here. We will get here 26x minus 25x is equal to this 116. This 100 will be in negative sign, so minus 100. So we will get here x is equal to 116 minus 100, that is 60. So we got value of x is equal to 60. It is just a mathematical calculation. See the next sub question, that is second equation is given 3y upon 2 plus y plus 4 upon 4 is equal to 5 minus y minus 2 upon 4. Now here transfer this y minus 2 upon 4 on this side because it is variable. So in the next step 3y upon 2 plus y plus 4 upon 4, this minus sign become plus, so plus y minus 2 upon 4, that is equal to 5. Now in the next step take common, which is 4. So take 4 here, and to make 4 here we must multiply this by 2. So 2 into 3y, that is 6y. Then plus, for this it is not necessary because already 4 is there, so here will be y plus 4 and here also y minus 2, that will be equal to 5. In the next step transfer this 4 here, it will be 4 into 5, and here 6y plus y plus y, that is 8y. Are you getting? 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus y is 8y. So 8y, and this 4 minus 2, that will be plus 2, and equal to this 4 into 5, 4 into 5. So it is 20. So 8y plus 2 is equal to 20. So 8y is equal to this 20 minus 2, that is 18. So y is equal to 18 upon 8, that is nothing but 9 upon 4. So we got the value of y as 9 upon 4. So if we put the value of y in this equation will be tallied. Now see the third equation of this question number 9, that is given 5 into bracket 1 minus 2x is equal to 9 into bracket 1 minus x. So if we write this third equation here, 5 into bracket 1 minus 2x is equal to 9 into bracket 1 minus x. That will be equal to, solve this, we will get here 5 minus 10x is equal to this 9 minus 9x. Transfer the variables on one side and constant on one side. Take this 10x on this side, we will get here, and this 9 on this side. So we will get here 5 minus 9 is equal to this minus 9x, this plus 10x, because we are changing the sides. So minus 9 10x, that is equal to x, and 5 minus 9, that is equal to minus 4. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 4.
This is all for this video. Thank you.